So fam, today's vlog is based more on maintenance. Zx10R ले लिया था roughly 3-4 महीने हो गए I think, or lesser I believe. Since I bought the bike, I bought it at roughly 24,000 या ऐसा कुछ, और चल चुकी है 27,000 kilometers, 27 something. तो regular maintenance on a super bike is always a wise idea. And not only ये oil change ये वो, maintenance in the sense of maintaining the longevity of parts as well. So in order to do that, we want to make sure that parts don't get damaged and stuff. तो आज जो मैं कराने जा रहा हूँ is one of the most important things to protect, because उसको अगर damage हुआ तो फटका पड़ा है. So I'll get onto the bike and I'll tell you all where we are going. We have to go pick up the part first from Andheri, lazy ass bikers. तो वहाँ से उठा के we'll pick it up and उसके बाद fitting and all that you'll see in the vlog. तो yeah, we'll get on to the bike. What is up YouTube? So as I was saying, maintenance. So this is one of the maintenance items on this bike that I feel I need to put on. मैं फालतू का कीड़ा नहीं करता हूँ बाइक के साथ. If it's running fine, it's perfect for me. I don't unnecessarily need to fuck with the bike, put this, put that, screw around with it, unless it's adding to my bike and it's adding to my usability and my usage. So I feel this thing, in my opinion, for me, is extremely important. So that's the only reason I am investing in it, and I would take this as an investment for sure. तो थोड़ा स्ट्रेच करते हैं, उसके बाद बात करते हैं. हाय भगवान, मज़ा आ गया. बस इसी की मतलब ये दिन में एक बार भी हो जाए ना, बस है, पूरा फील वापस आ जाता है. एनीवेज, तो ये वो चीज़ है दैट आई फील आई नीड टू इन्वेस्ट इन. ये प्रॉब्लम मेरे प्रीवियस RC390 पे बहुत था, बहुत ही ज़्यादा. मैंने क्या कुछ नहीं किया वो बाइक पे, पर दिस इश्यू वुड स्टे. नाउ यू विल आस्क कि भाई ऐसा क्या हो गया था भाई तेरे RC390 के साथ? कुछ हुआ नहीं था. द इश्यू इज़ आई हैड एन इश्यू विथ माई फॉक्स. ठीक है, तो जो फ्रंट ट्यूब रहता है, द सिल्वर पार्ट ऑफ योर फॉक्स, that is very important in superbikes and any sport bike for that matter, any bike for that matter. And secondly, अपने जो road conditions है भाई, उसके लिए ये बाइक्स बनी नहीं है. चल जाएगी, it will handle it, पर कभी ना कभी you will get wear and tear. That is the life cycle of any mechanical product. That is how any mechanical product will work. तो wear and tear होता ही है. मिट्टी, धूल, मिट्टी, एंड सेकेंडली वी गॉट स्टोन्स ऑन आवर रोड. सामने वाला जब चला रहा होता है वो फेंकता रहता है, यू गेटिंग इट. सो सामने वाले के टायर्स विल कीप थ्रोइंग स्टोन्स एट योर बाइक. नाउ इफ यू गेट पिटिंग ऑन योर फॉक्स, यू आर इन फॉर अ बिग खर्चा. पिटिंग क्या होता है इज बेसिकली आपका जो सिल्वर पार्ट ऑफ द ट्यूब है उसके ऊपर अगर स्क्रैच लग गए, what will happen is उसके अंदर डर्ट जमा हो जाएगा. तो जैसे ही आपके फॉक्स कंप्रेस होते हैं, as it goes down, it will take dirt into the seal, into the fork seal. It will cut your fork seal, and not even necessary that it will cut your fork seal. उसमें ऑयल भर के निकलता ही रहेगा थोड़ा थोड़ा करके. So every time your forks compress, you will have oil leaking onto your tube. प्रॉब्लम वो है. वो चीज़ मेरे RC390 के साथ बहुत हुई थी, because the forks had got pitted. सील मैंने 2 बार चेंज कराया. इमेजिन, इन द स्पैन ऑफ 1 year आई चेंज द फॉक्स सील्स ट्वाइस ऑन दैट बाइक, एंड फिर भी नहीं हुआ. उसके बाद मैंने ट्यूब चेंज कराई, तब जाके थोड़ा स्टेबल हुआ वो, तब जाके दैट प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व. तो मैंने जब ट्यूब चेंज कराई, दैट वाज व्हेन दैट इशू स्टॉप्ड, बिकॉज द ट्यूब्स वर द इशू. अभी भाई ये बाइक पे, लेट्स बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, अगर मेरे को ट्यूब बदलवाना पड़ा, आई एम गॉन. The amount that I will pay just to change the fucking tube on this bike, you cannot even imagine. ठीक है, तो वो ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. So that is the reason I am going today to pick up this particular part. तो वो हम लोग पार्ट पिकअप करेंगे, उसका पूरा इंस्टॉलेशन और वो सब मैं आपको समझाता हूँ क्या क्या करना पड़ता है. You can't just install it directly, मतलब it's a waste if you do that. सो वी आर ऑलमोस्ट देयर, विल पिक इट अप और फिर इंस्टॉलेशन के लिए हम लोग को दूसरे जगह जाना पड़ेगा. नॉट नेसेसरीली, पर आई वुड प्रेफर डूइंग इट लाइक दैट बिकॉज देयर इज़ वन इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टेप दैट्स इन्वॉल्व्ड एज वेल. तो सब आपको समझाता हूँ इन जस्ट अ बिट. एंड वी आर एट लैब्स. So fam, don't judge my hair. It's been a crazy ride with the helmet on. Though we are at Labs, Lazy Ass Bikers. We'll go in and I'll show you what this product was, and I'll also show you all the place a little bit. So let's go in. So the product they gave us was the Kriega Fox Seal covers, and these are a universal fit basically, and apparently I believe they come with a 10-year warranty as well. Now what these covers are going to do is, it's made of some heavy duty neoprene, if I'm not wrong. It's called Neoskin by the company, and it's a German brand. So I'm gonna prep the bike up before I throw these on, because if I throw them onto a dirty Fox Seal, it makes no sense at all. So yeah, that's the plan. We'll shove this in the bag and we'll get going. I could have also just ordered them online. They have online delivery services as well, but I have never been to Labs, so I thought I'll come here, check the place out as well. I wanted to see some other products, my favorites being, you know, race suits at the back. So yeah, I'll give you a tour of this place. They've got some dry packs as well. They've got tank bags and a lot of other stuff. There's a few things that I have on my list that I would like to check off, and I'll catch you guys after that. So we're done with Lazy Ass Bikers. That's the name of the store, don't get me wrong. But yeah, we're done with Lazy Ass Bikers. Some bikers out there as well. Now we'll head to the place where I'm going to fit it. As I explained to you, there's this one particular step that I don't want to miss. ये थोड़ा important है, क्योंकि ऐसे ही बिठा दिया तो मज़ा नहीं आएगा. तो मतलब कुछ मतलब ही नहीं है. You getting it? So वैसा वाला सीन है. तो वहाँ जाके we'll talk again. अभी थोड़ा 1000cc को ट्रैफिक में मैनेज करते हैं. पटाखा पटाखा फूटा. ओ भाई मेरे, क्या कर रहा है भाई, क्या कर रहा है? ऐसा थोड़ी कोई करता है. अच्छा श्याम एकदम यो स्टार्ट यो पीस. अरे अरे ओ हो कंटेंट मिल गया. क्यों करते हो यार ये सब, क्यों करते हो श्यामगिरी? मतलब पूरा खुद का चूतिया काट दिया बंदे ने. ओ भाई, अरे 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 मेरे को लेफ्ट जाना है, मेरे को लेफ्ट जाना है. शिट, ओ शिट. हो जाएगा क्या? हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा. आराम से चलते, हो जाएगा. हाँ चलो यार, ये बहुत बुरा किया मैंने. मेरा घर वहाँ से आता है ना ब्रो, मेरे को स्ट्राइक नहीं हुआ. मैं मस्त चलती में बना, फिर 5 किलोमीटर और चलाना पड़ता मेरे को. ओ हो, ये बहुत बुरा एसफॉल्ट है भाई. यहाँ पे बाइक वाइट जाती है दोस्त, ये चलाने वाला रास्ता नहीं है. इसके ऊपर डांबर हो तो क्या मज़ा है, क्या ही मज़ा है. अच्छा हुआ एडवांस में देख लिया भाई. अपनी तो ब्रेक थी, वो बेचारा पीछे वाले उसका तो मुंह में आ गए होंगे. जिगर मुंह में आ गया होगा भाई. क्या सोच रहे हो आप लोग यार, क्या ही सोचते हो कुछ भी. मतलब जिगर के छल्ले वही बोलते ना. सो वी आर ऑलमोस्ट देयर. दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. अपने पुराने दोस्त के यहाँ पे अंदर जाएंगे, आपको उनसे मिलाएंगे अगर वो हुए तो. क्या बोलते हो, मिला दे? आ जाओ आ जाओ. All fine. How are you?
All good, all good.
So once again, after a very long time on the channel, we have. आ जाओ भाई, कैमरा पे आ जाओ. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Umesh, owner of AutoClinic, and Arish bhai has come after a very long time.
लास्ट हम लोग ने बहुत पहले व्लॉग बनाया था KTM RC 390 पे, उसका एक कार्ड लिंक में डाल दूंगा, वो देख लो. और ये बंदे ने कैसे ये पूरा स्टूडियो ट्रांसफॉर्म किया है, I'll show you all. So stick around for that. You get some amazing services out here for a very reasonable price. That's what I like about you, Umesh. वो हमेशा याद रखना. You've got the correct pricing.
Yeah.
ऊपर नीचे मत कर रहा.
नहीं.
So
Definitely.
yeah, so you'll get some amazing. You'll get foam wash. You get wax polish.
Wax polish.
Chain lube
clean,
as
chain
well.
lube.
That is very rare to find in a wash का package. ज़्यादा लोग करते नहीं, गाड़ी धो के बाहर
निकल जाते हैं.
हाँ. Your main thing is your chain lube. पानी अटक जाता है chain पे. Your chain starts rotting and all of that stuff. So he offers all of those services. Let's go in and I'll show you the studio.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling.
So what I was explaining to you guys is that this chrome part of your fork is usually exposed, and super sport bikes में there is a lot of issues of damage on this because of our Indian roads. Kabhi there is pitting. If stones hit this part and you get even one scratch, that is pretty much the end of your forks, because that scratch will take dirt in. आपका जब fork compress होगा, आपका oil leak होते जाएगा. This part cannot afford to get damaged. Fork seal फटा चलेगा, it can be replaced. पर अगर ये damage हुआ, especially in super sport bikes, तो बड़ा वाला फटका है. So that is the reason we picked up this today. As you see, it's a neoprene kind of fabric. It's a little more tighter. I had other options in the market, पर उन लोग का मटेरियल थोड़ा सा, it was a little too soft, तो stones and stuff can still get into your forks. So that is the reason I went with Kriega. It's a very well known brand, especially in Superbikes. Now the main reason I came here is so that I can get the bike washed before putting the fork seal covers on. Omi does a fabulous job of washing and wax polishing. गंदे forks पे cover बिठा दूंगा, फ़ायदा नहीं है. It will still carry all the dirt up into the fork seal, cut the fork seal, and that will be the end of it. वो पूरा काम वापस कराना पड़ेगा, so कुछ sense नहीं बनता. So it's better I get the bike washed, wax polished. These guys are always trustworthy with the bike. So I said, might as well come here, get that job done, and I'll show you when we plan to fit the Kriega covers on.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold.
So these are the fork sleeve protectors we've got from Kriega. As you see, it's a very thick neoprene material. It's not like the other ones that you get which are fabric in the market. I was considering the other ones because it was cheaper, but these provide me the best quality, so I'm going to go with these. It's got velcros on both the sides which will wrap around the fork and then stick, and it's got loops for a cable tie to secure it in. So I'm going to throw these on the bike in a bit, and I'll show you how it's done as well. So that is the fitting of the Kriega fork protector sleeve. तो ये थोड़ा extend भी हो जाता है, fork extra भी protect हो जाता है, and I really like that. Quality is very high on this product, and you can imagine when the company is offering you a 10-year warranty. All right, चलो उमेश, thank you. See you soon. Yes, you too. You too. Thank you. Bye. So yes, I will officially use this little bit to end the vlog. Stick around, stay blessed, keep putting in the work. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. You guys know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit the put in the comments, of course. I would love to reply to your comments. I love it when you guys give me your feedback. So yaar, sort hai. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.